Yes, so Osetigokwa. Hey, I told you guys should be patient with this new administration. From the title of the video, guys, you already know what's up. I'm super excited. Like, I cannot wait to share this good news with you guys. This video is, oh my god, I am so excited. Now, the administration of Right Honorable Francis Ogbonnawifuru has started as the construction of rural roads in Ebonyi State. I say make una chillax, like make all of you chill. That this young man is coming now. He has finally come, and oh my god, I can't wait to share this good news with you. Now he has started the construction of rural roads in Ebonyi State, and this is Amikaba village. It's a small village that is close to the town, and it is in Ebonyi local government area. Okay, so they have actually started. They started from Haraka. From Araka. Araka is also another place, another village, another community in Ebonyi local government area. So guys, I will be speaking with one of the supervisors who is going to be telling us the full details, the full gist about this rural road construction. You guys will be so amazed at what is going to be what the governor is planning on doing in all this our rural roads. You're going to be amazed. Okay guys, before I let you in on what's up fully in the video, let me quickly give a virtual hug to the deserving subscribers today. You guys are so amazing, and don't forget to let me know where you're reaching out to us from so that I can send you a virtual hug across to you sharply. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let me quickly appreciate. Okay, Patrick is watching us from Turkey and is from Ebonyi State. Thank you so much, Patrick. I appreciate and I wait your return. And of course, I also want to appreciate Obina Onwe, who is watching us from Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much, Obina. I truly appreciate. And I also want to give a virtual hug to Uchenna, aka J Smart Billions from Izi local government area of Ebonyi State, watching us from Cross River. Thank you. I love you all. Keep the messages coming. Keep the messages coming. Tell me where you're watching us from so that I can appreciate you very well. So without wasting much of a time, my dearies, this is where the construction is going on right about now, and this is located around Haraka area. Okay, around Haraka area, this is where it's of course it's in Ebonyi local government area. And we are going to be speaking with one of the supervisors. So whatever you have to say about, I don't know, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We have waited for this for so long. So it's like a dream that is finally coming true. So I'm so excited. So guys, let me just keep quiet so that you enjoy this video. And please share this video. Let the people know that yes, so share go to this video. Share go to the video. So after watching it, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Let's go. So guys, please permit me to speak with one of the supervisors, one of the engineers that's in charge of this rural road construction. Okay, so you're going to be hearing from him right about now. Alright, if you watched this video up until this point, thank you so much. I'll bring you more details, okay? Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to this channel so that if I drop it, you'll be the first to get it. I know now, as a CNN of abakaliki that I am, but they always bring on a juicy information of what is happening in your state, Ebonyi. In our state, Ebonyi. See you all. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.